Hey guys, welcome to another video on personal finance tips and strategies. In today's video, I will be sharing with you 6 legit remote jobs you can start immediately. No interview, no experience required. But before we start, please, I'm asking you, if any advertisements should interrupt this video, please allow them to play through. Don't click off from the advertisements, because that's how I get compensated for bringing you this wonderful piece of information. Thank you so much. Let's dive in. In today's fast-paced world, flexibility and simplicity matter more than ever, especially when it comes to earning extra income. Whether you're in between jobs, looking for a side hustle, or simply trying to build a second stream of income, I've got something that can help you skip the stress and start working right away. Today I'm going to walk you through 6 incredible remote job opportunities that require no interviews, no previous experience, and allow you to start earning almost immediately. These roles are not only legit, they are practical, flexible, and perfect for anyone who wants to earn from home without jumping through hoops. And trust me, the last job on this list is a hidden gem that's more lucrative than you'd expect. So stick with me to the end. First on our list, inbox done. Get paid to organize and manage emails. If you're someone who enjoys tidiness, structure, and can navigate email systems with ease, then Inbox Done might be the perfect opportunity for you. This platform hires remote virtual assistants to help busy professionals manage their inboxes, sorting, prioritizing, and even replying to messages on their behalf. How it works? Head to inboxdone.com and complete a brief application. You'll need to demonstrate your organizational skills, but there's no interview involved. Once approved, you'll undergo onboarding and training, and from there you can start working with clients. Pay and requirements: earn up to $20 per hour. You must have a stable internet connection and a working computer. This is ideal for detail-oriented individuals who thrive on keeping digital spaces organized. Pro tip: familiarize yourself with email tools like Gmail filters, Mailbird, or Spark. The more efficient you are, the more clients you can handle, and the more you can earn. Number 2 on the list, call center QA. Earn by reviewing customer service calls. This is one of my personal favorites because it's incredibly straightforward and pays surprisingly well. Call center QA pays users to listen to recorded customer service calls and provide detailed feedback on call quality, tone, professionalism, and problem resolution. How to get started? Go to callcenterqa.org and sign up. Take a short qualification quiz to prove you understand the basics of good customer service. Once approved, you can begin evaluating calls immediately. No interviews or phone conversations required. Pay structure: earned $5 per call, which typically takes about 5 to 10 minutes to complete. That means you can easily earn $20 to $30 an hour by completing multiple evaluations in one sitting. Here's a pro tip: companies appreciate accuracy and consistency in your evaluations. Focus on listening carefully and taking clear notes. That's what sets top earners apart. Number 3 on the list, transcribe me. Get paid to type what you hear. If you're a fast typist and have good listening skills, Transcribe Me is a great entry-level transcription job that pays you to convert audio into text. It's ideal for introverts or night owls who want to work in silence and on their own schedule. What to expect? Sign up at transcribeme.com and take a short transcription test. Once approved, you'll gain access to short audio clips that need to be transcribed. Work as much or as little as you like. The schedule is 100% flexible. Let's look at the earning potential. Pay starts at $15 to $20 per audio hour, not clock hour, audio hour. Experienced transcribers can earn even more with bonuses for accuracy and speed. Here's a pro tip. Use free tools like ExpressScribe or OTranscribe and invest in noise cancelling headphones to improve your accuracy and workflow. Number 4 on the list, respondent. Participate in paid research studies. Unlike standard survey platforms, Respondent.io connects you with high-paying research opportunities like focus groups, market research studies, and expert interviews. These gigs often pay $100 or more per project. And you don't need any special background to get started. How it works? Visit Respondent.io and set up a detailed profile. Once completed, you'll be matched with relevant research opportunities. Most sessions are done over Zoom and last between 30 to 90 minutes. Why it's great? Projects typically pay $60 to $250 depending on the topic. You choose which studies to participate in, making it a perfect way to earn during downtime. Here's a pro tip. The more detailed your profile is, the better your match rate. Don't skip sections and make sure to regularly check for new study invites. Number 5 on the list, Rev. Flexible typing jobs for audio transcription and captioning. Another excellent transcription option is Rev, a reputable platform that offers work in audio transcription, captioning, and foreign subtitles. If you're bilingual, this is an especially lucrative option. Let's look at how to join. Apply at rev.com by completing a short grammar and transcription test. Once accepted, you'll have access to a steady stream of projects. Work when you want. You'll never be pressured into a set schedule. Earning potential, 30 cents to $1.10 per audio minute for transcription. $1.50 per minute for foreign subtitles. And here's a pro tip. Build a solid rating early by focusing on accuracy. High-rated reviewers get access to better paying jobs and larger volumes of work. Number 6 on our list is user testing, earned by reviewing websites and apps. If you've ever thought this app is confusing or this website layout doesn't make sense, then user testing wants to pay you for your opinion. This platform allows you to test digital products and give feedback, all while getting paid. Here's how it works. Sign up at usertesting.com as a contributor. Complete a short test video to demonstrate how you give feedback. Once approved, you'll start receiving testing invites to review websites, mobile apps, and online platforms. Earning potentials, $10 per 20 minutes test. $10 per 20-minute test. Some live interviews or extended tests pay up to $60 or more. And here's a pro tip: speak clearly, stay focused, and provide honest, actionable feedback. The better your reviews, the more test invitations you'll receive. Now for my final thoughts: don't wait, start earning from home today. These 6 platforms, Inbox Done, Call Center QA, Transcribe Me, Respondent, Rev, and User Testing, represent a powerful mix of legitimate, flexible, remote jobs that don't require prior experience or interviews. They're ideal for anyone ready to get started now with minimal barriers. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, start a new chapter, or simply make better use of your free time, these jobs let you do it on your own terms from anywhere in the world. Which of these opportunities speak to you the most? Have you tried any of them before? I'd love to hear from you and hear about your experience, and so would the viewers. So drop a comment below and share your story. Do so in the comment section so that the person who is watching this video can benefit from your experience. And if this guide helped you even a little, do someone else a favor. Like, share, and subscribe so more people can discover this real remote income option. And please subscribe to this channel. Click on the thumbs up button to give us a like, and be on the lookout for our next video. But until then, stay safe, and as usual, may God bless your efforts.